enu megide be ha o ana megide enu na ana megide onye si na ọ ga ya dịrị anyị na mma o enu megide be ha o ana megide enu na ana megide onye si na ọ ga ya dịrị anyị na mma o megide be ha o ana megide ndị ichie ya megide onye si na ọ ga ya dịrị anyị na mma o enu megide be ha o ana megide ndị ichie ya megide onye si na ọ ga ya dịrị anyị na mma o enu megide be ha o ana megide ndị ichie ya megide onye si na ọ ga ya dịrị anyị na mma o enu megide be ha o ana megide ike ụfọdụ ọgụ megide onye si na ọ ga ya dịrị anyị na mma o enu megide be ha o ana megide ike ọfọ n'ọgụ megide onye si na ọ ga ya dịrị anyị na mma o good morning viewers all over the world. As you already know my name, Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi Tubel Norifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja Ugochi Tubel ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi kwazi ọlụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Egwe nụrụ kịta anyị dịbata. Bụ egwu ngalaba na-afụ gbasara mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo Ugochi Tubel ọdịnala temple a na-akpọ Nkwa Group led by me. We have all the rights. I'm only like in every good audio mark, the iTunes, the Amazon, and rest of them. Join your baby, Madam Ludwig. Abukazi Moni Sinchuaja, no then another Restoration Evangelical Mission. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. No, but you no go one case you. Is your quite you, Ebia? Financial freedom and how to be successful. Financial freedom and how to be successful. That is today's topic. But before we dive into today's lecture, don't forget that we are still in the month of April. Our group rituals for the month is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are all over the world. This is to go in the temple, go for our friends of the temple, children of the temple, and members of Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission worldwide. Yes, I got maybe the last day of the month. I got Chikotia. Now from 26 to 30th or 1 hour. I then go 4 days program. Now that 4 days program, I then went ministration, I then went counseling, I then went seminar, I then went retreat. Yes, I don't want free consultations. Then I don't want lighting up the candle. Yes, I don't want kubioku. Then I don't want other trainings that get badulu. Then no quasi saraka and rituals at the last day. You want the keys to lie anywhere you are, or to the man to rely online. But you can still join us physical from 26 to 30th, the last 4 days. If you just come with your candle. Remember, I will allow affordable accommodations where you can stay within the period if you are coming from a far distance. Then, I a job opportunity I welcome one the matter to here because what we don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all. I keep telling you, search for wisdom. If you are knowledgeable, you will master. If you lack knowledge, you remain a slave. So here in the last day na Chikoti in Nigeria remain Saraka. Then Eze-Ana apokale chuaja ye na temple chuaja to introduce some powers ye na even chuaja boy na saraka ndị mmadụ irikwazie ma nwa. To participate is free. However, onwe anything saraka iji is welcome. Ọ bụkwanụ na ị abịa ụbọchị ya nwa ị nwere ike ibu bụba. Yes. Then whatever you have for their prayer requests I get every not an actual then make token donation to their account number. Once you have to gym well, Nankusia, Monature, you see now, do spiritual, Monitor, Abalaga family, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 78 37672 or 0813 8243 871. 9 as screen, you have come back or WhatsApp number. Let's now dive into today's lecture book, Financial Freedom and How to Be Successful. Let me explain what financial freedom is all about. If you really want to be have financial freedom and be successful, one, you must have mindset of successful people. And let me take you down the explanation. Know it that spirituality, no matter your belief, your faith, conviction, all over the world, cannot give you raw money. Money is a legal tender created by humans. Therefore, money on its own as a currency has nothing to do with spirituality. Meaning, even if you climb mountain Kilimanjaro or any mountain at all, like Sinai, name them, there is no amount of prayer or sacrifices you will make or pray midnight and you wake up under your pillow, you see money. It's not possible. You know why? Spirits don't know what they are talking about money. Money is a creation of man, how countries come together and decide to create their own currency. Now, what spirituality does is spirituality building bridges with your spiritual forces. We activate. That is why I'm telling you about training, seminar, retreats, so that you will be trained and you will mentor and explain in details what spiritual exercise is all about. Spiritual exercise and spirituality is practiced globally. I told you the first country I traveled outside the country is India. I was in India over 20 something years ago. Yes, 2003 to be precise. I took my time to travel so many places in India as a tourist. I visited so many places, the Bangalore, the Shimla, the Kulu Manali, and so many places, Fort Northern, Delhi, and the Bombay, Mumbai. But what I can tell you, world over at the other countries I have traveled for, what I can tell you is this: every world over, every race practice spirituality. What spirituality does is that it helps you to connect to your forces. It helps you to connect to what you believe. It helps you to build personal relation with your spiritual forces, because it helps you to have good morals. Example, if you see anybody that, even a native doctor, that have passed through spirituality, in essence, even Christianity, the person will be a Dibia with exception. Yes. I in my own, I was born in a Christian family. My mom, younger brother, is a Reverend Father. My cousin is a Reverend Father, and I have worked with theologians. I remember when I was even doing program with theologians at All Hallows Seminary back then, when I was still in my early 20s. So what I can tell you, the moral values I learned, because if you're a good Christian, even if you become more than a tradition like this, you know that you can't be killing people. Because world religion believe that you don't need to kill people or hurt your fellow human being. So religion and spirituality is basics. You build moral values in a society. Is it the Germans, the Austrians, they don't go with spirituality? Is it the Americans world over? Yes. So what I'm saying in essence is that spirituality is very important, because spirituality will make you to always be thinking right. Spirituality will make you to not know that it's not good to hurt your fellow human being. Now, if you want to be successful on earth, build brand, be honest. I remember when I started, any opportunity you have to interact with anybody, because you don't know who will help you tomorrow. Make sure you become a brand that the person can know you for one thing. I like this guy, I like this lady, because he's very honest. His yes or her yes is yes or no. Build a brand that people you come across will always recommend you for your hard work, for your thinking, and for your ability and everything. Your sincerity, you must be an honest person. Is a brand. Because building a brand will make people to always believe in you and want to do business with you over and over again. So it's one of the principles for you to be successful. So for you to be successful here on earth, you must be a brand. You must learn how to work hard and know who to follow. You must follow who know road. Example, if you want to go into transport business, who will you consult? Will you consult a taxi kabu man, your neighbor, that can't even maintain his taxi? Or will you consult God is good, GEO, those successful transporters? If you consult rely on kabu man near your house, you will fail. Because if he knows how to be successful in transport, he will become one. So you consult God is good, people that are successful in the transport business, so that they will give you the rules. Then finance, there is what we call financial principles. If you want to be successful, you must learn be prudent in management. That's why I love this former governor of Adam Versus, His Excellency P. He will always tell you that he who does not plan is planning to fail. Now, if you want to be successful, maybe you need financial principle. You must love money. Because if you love money, you know how to spend money and return money. So manage what you are spending. Before you spend it, you spend wisely. You can't just spend it because you have it. If you want to spend it, first of all, this thing you are spending, does it worth it? So you spend when it's necessary. People normally say, sew your clothes according to your this thing. So, but I don't tell them, sew your clothes according to available material. So you cannot just be living in a rich man estate once you are not rich. What you have to do, live between your means. How can you imagine a guy that doesn't have up to 3 million naira, but you have money to buy phone of 1 million naira to your girlfriend? Are you okay? Are you normal? So don't be spent carelessly, because you know the value of this money, and before you spend it, you check the do's and don'ts. You check the value you get in return. You have common sense. You don't waste money. You don't go to party and be throwing money. Yes. Have you ever seen God is good, the owner, or even GEO, go to party and be throwing money like this Yahoo boys doing? Those people that knows value of money, that real financial freedom people, don't waste money. So if you want to be successful, you must learn how to spend less in order to save more, and in order to invest that more in a good business. And before you invest, don't be greedy. Before you invest, you check the risk and be sure that this business is not a pyramid scheme. I don't do pyramid scheme. Before I invest in a business, I must check the risk. I must check everything, and be sure that this business is profitable before I go into it. So before you invest in any business, you must do risk management. So don't be spending money anyhow. Let me tell you what will shock you. Do you know I'm not that poor? But do you know I cannot take 400,000, go to party and open a wine? I can't do it. You know why? I know that 400,000 naira can be of great help, either in human capital, helping someone, or investment. But people that just pick money anyhow can go to opening champagnes and opening these things. You'll be asking this person that is opening champagne, what is net worth? Are you following? Forget about people that are in the hospitality business, that are into entertainer. They can come to Facebook and be showing off because they want to attract, because they are entertainers. But you as a beginner, don't be spending wisely from what you eat, from your clothing, from your expenditure. Some of these people that are want they try, they will fail. They will say it's somebody that is after them. Oga, what is after you is that you don't know how to spend. You eat too much. Prudent management is not your own. If I check your check and balance, you see that you spend more than you earn. That is the cause of your problem. Nobody is after you. So financial freedom is know how much you earn, spend less what you earn, so that you must have profit every month. Thereby you keep going. You keep going. Don't embark on any business or expensive that you cannot cater. That will become an injury. Yes, to your finances. Let me stop here. We keep on continuing in this financial freedom and what we must do. Spirituality is very important because spirituality will always give you acumen, vision, knowledge on what you must do, what you must add in order to move from point A to point B. See you in the second edition. If you have any question in today's lecture or you want us to do deep consultation for you, or you have any question, chat me on WhatsApp number 0805 78 or 0813 8243 871. Screen here have the number. May the blessing of Chukwu Okike be with you all. May you be favored. May you be blessed now and forevermore. Kemesian.